Okay, let's make this one pan roasted lemon and herb chicken with veggies. Now place your chicken thighs into a large bowl. Season with Italian seasoning, salt, pepper, and paprika. Pour in a little olive oil and lemon juice. Make sure to coat each piece and let it set and marinate for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. In a separate bowl, add broccoli, Yukon Gold Potatoes, bite-sized pieces of bell pepper, season with a little olive oil, salt, and pepper. Mix that in and then set it to the side. Now on a large baking sheet lined with parchment paper, place your chicken thighs in the middle. And then surround the chicken thighs with your vegetable and potato mixture. Place this into the oven for at least 40 minutes until our chicken is done and we get the color that we're looking for. This chicken was amazing. The skin was crispy, the inside was tender, the vegetables had a slight char, but tender as well. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.